Hello guys, welcome to Pre-Tech Ideas. In this video, we will learn how you can fix this page does not exist on your WordPress website. As you can see here, when I was browsing on my website products, and it suddenly happened. So this page does not exist. Sorry, this page you are looking for could not be found. Page could not be found or does not exist. In both cases, there are simple steps. With the help of these steps, you can easily fix this particular issue. So let me bring you to the WordPress website dashboard where I will teach you how you can easily fix this issue. So we will go to our WordPress dashboard. So this is my WordPress dashboard where I will teach you how you can fix this issue easily. So right now my website, this particular product is already there, but my website does not find this particular page. So for that we will do some basic setting. We will go to option, setting, and click on permalinks, because this issue might be due to there are some issue with permalink structure. When accidentally or by mistake there are changes in permalink structure, your website page went does not exist or could not be found. So to fix this issue, you have to follow these simple steps. We have to click here on the, if your website permanent structure set to plain date and name, month and name, let's click on post name, or you can click on custom structure. So in the custom structure, that might be empty, something like that. We will click here post name. From the available tags, there are multiple available tags like year, month, day, hour, minute, second. So we will use post name here. After you choose post name, we will click on save changes. We are not going to select any of these options. We will keep as default. Let's click on save changes. So now we have successfully saved changes, and now it set to post name here. So let's refresh our website page if it working or not. I just refresh. As you can see, now website successfully working. Why this issue mostly you face when you install any third-party plugin? You are not sure about the plugin that can mismatch the functionality, or can change permalink structures, or when you install new WordPress and your website might have old content, or you move your website from another hosting to new hosting. In those cases, page could not be found, can be issue due to permalink structure. So you have to ensure always, when you move your website to the new server, or when you copy your website, or backup your website files, before backup you have to ensure you set to post name. So and save changes, and then you can easily import your website files, whatever you want to do. Now your website permalink structure set to set correctly here. But if you have a new website, because permalink structure recommended by Google to set here post name, I always set to post name. There are other options like plain date and name. If you look at a blogger website, they comes with a date and name always. In the permalinks, there is a date between the permalinks, but I always follow post name, because post name permalink structure is very clean. If we look at other permalink structure, like let's talk about plain. So there is some query things like there is a question mark, p is equal 1 2 3. The permalink structure is not clean. There are multiple letters or multiple query letters, so we always avoid these things. So we will click on post name. In the post name, when we click on, there will be always your simple post or your product permalinks. So there is no any other later adding into your permalinks automatically. When you set to post name, once you create your post, pages, or any product, your website going to get the simple permalink structure from the product. So let me show you quickly here. If I go to pages, click on all pages. Now, if I quick edit any page here, quick edit. Now you can see here slug. So slug always it's a permalink structure. So your page will be your website name slash cart only. There is no any question mark like this, nothing. So we always keep clean our permalinks. So Google loved it. And if we go to our post, click on all post, the post permalink structure, if I quick add it, and you can see here slug is very clean. There is only dash between the, there is a title, and the slug is very clean here. Even I click any of these titles, there is a slug, very same slug with a with the dash. So there is no any queries things. So these permalinks are very clean. So always click on uh, post post name. So let me go back. So always keep click on post name. But if you just a new install your WordPress, your there might be day and name or plain. When you click on post name, your website will fix automatically. So if you want me to create another tutorial on another WordPress issues, just let me know that. Let me know in comments. I will definitely make another tutorial. If you're facing any other WordPress issues, I'm happy to create another tutorial for that. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.